In a quaint village, a mysterious waterfall was said to whisper secrets. Curious, Tom and Jerry ventured there. "I bet it tells us where the treasure is," Tom exclaimed. As they approached, the waterfall murmured, "Beware of the one who snores." Confused, they looked at each other. "I don't snore," Jerry insisted. "Neither do I," Tom replied. Suddenly, a loud snore echoed from the bushes. It was their friend Bob napping. "Guess the treasure's safe from him," Jerry laughed. "And from us," Tom added, chuckling. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.